Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to create a new collection on Etsy. Let's open Etsy on the device and go to Favorites section at the bottom side of your screen, and now at the top you should select your collections and basically press button that says Create New Collection with the plus sign on it. So now you have to give a name to your collection, and also you can set your collection as public or private. So simply tap it, let it be public, tap next button in the top right corner. Then you can select items from your favorites to your collection, but I can skip it for now. Tap done button, and now you see that my collection is empty. And in order to add some items to your collection, you just have to go to whatever listing, tap heart icon in the top right corner of your screen, and now here you can see list of your collections. So I'm adding it to my collection, and if I go to my favorites section at the bottom side of my screen, I can see my collection, yes, with the item in it. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.